Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a review of Super Glow Paris Lotion. This review was requested for by a dear subscriber, but it could still be helpful to anyone else. So guys, please stay tuned for the review. Thanks for staying. The Super Glow Paris Lotion comes in 3 variants. One is the Super Glow Paris Half Cast. This variant claims to be a super whitening and glowing body milk. This variant comes in a grey colored container. The second variant is the Super Glow Paris 3X Carrot. This variant claims to be a super glowing body lotion. This variant comes in an orange colored container. The third variant is the Super Glow Paris Gold. This variant claims to be a flawless glowing body milk, gluta injection. This variant comes in a greenish yellowish colored container. Container looks more like yellow. All right, the 3 variants of these Super Glow Paris lotions all claim to have SPF 50. Now, according to the promoters of this lotion, the Super Glow Paris Half Cast variant is the strongest in terms of skin lightening and whitening. Then the Super Glow Paris 3X Carrot variant lightens also, but not as much as the Half Cast variant. Then they said the Super Glow Paris Gold variant basically brightens the skin, but it can also lighten, just not so much. Okay, and that is all for the overview of the Super Glow Paris variants. Now let's move into the user reviews section where we will hear what the actual users of this lotion are saying about it. The first user I have here said, I am using the carrot one and it's very effective and good on my skin. Okay. The next user said, I got the orange of this lotion, but it's giving me green veins. What anti-reaction can I add to it? Okay. The next user said, it lightens the skin so well. Okay. The next user said, I am on 3rd bottle of Super Glow Paris 3X Carrot, orange color. It's very good on my skin, but I noticed it gives me white patches. What can I use? Okay. The next user said, I am in Nigeria and I am using the orange one. It's so good. It's sold for 8k over here. Okay. The next user said, the Super Glow is nice, but it's giving me stretch marks and green veins. Is what I am using now. Okay. The next user said, this lotion is superb, mild and effective. Okay. The next user said, I am currently using the yellow one and it's giving me green veins and stretch marks. Okay. The next user said, I used the orange. It was so good. Okay. The next user said, I am currently using the carrot. It's 2 weeks now I have been using it, but it's giving me green veins. What do you think I should do? I love the smell. Okay. The next user said, yes, very nice. Okay. The next user said, the gold is brightening the skin. It is a bit slimy and smells good, but the gold makes my skin more sensitive to the sun. I don't know if it is because of the retinol. Okay. The next user said, it whitens. Okay. The next user said, no reactions. It is good, but the carrot is more effective than the gold, but the carrot more lightening of the skin. But the problem was a little bit green veins from the carrot. Okay. The next user said, my cream, it works really nice. Okay. The next user said, I have used the carrot and gold, but comparing these 2 lotions, the carrot is more effective than the gold. Okay. The next user said, works like fire. I love my skin. Okay. The next user said, the lotion is so good and effective. I am using it and I really love my skin. No knuckles, no green veins. Okay. The next user said, I am using the grey bottle one, and it's so good, lightens gently and no stretch mark. Only problem I have is that it doesn't have oil, thereby making me have dry feet. Okay. Next user said, very good lotion, no reactions. Okay. Then the next user said, this is a game changer for me. It works perfectly with a nice glow with no skin issues. Only issue is that it's not so popular to get. Okay. The next user said, Super Glow Paris Lotion is effective for glow and also whitening in a few days without giving you any skin rashes. Okay. Then the last review I have here is a conversation between a user and an intending user. So the user said, I got the half cast. Then the intending user asked her, please, how far with the half cast lotion you bought? Did it give you green veins, please? Then the user replied, yes, it gave me green veins within 2 weeks of usage and it wasn't blending my skin color, so I stopped immediately. At first, it was giving me rashes with white pus at my chest and back. Then the intending user asked again, thanks sis, did you buy from a big store? Cause I was told it has lots of fake in the market. Then the user replied, yes, so I made sure I got the original, but nevertheless you can try it out if you don't have a sensitive skin like me. Okay, so those are the user reviews. Now, one fact that has been established from these user reviews is that this Super Glow Paris is very effective in skin lightening, especially the half cast and the carrot variants. But the problem now is the reactions that some of the users complained about. And it's funny that when I was doing my research on this product, trying to gather information for this review, all the promoters of this product that I saw were advertising it as a lotion that gives no reactions and as a lotion that even sensitive skin can use. But from what we have seen in the user reviews, that is not the case. There are complaints of green veins, there is complaint of rashes, complaint of white patches, and even stretch marks. So in my opinion, this product is not suitable for sensitive skin. I also learned that this half cast variant is very drying. So someone who has a dry skin may not be able to use it. Anyway, whether you have a sensitive skin or not, if you want to use this lotion, the best way to use it is only at night. Then use a moisturizer during daytime. That is the best way to reduce your chances of getting any reactions from it. Using it at night may not totally save you from reactions if it will cause you reactions, but it will at least reduce. Also, do not pro-mix this lotion with anything by way of trying to make it active. It's not necessary. It is already an active lotion just the way it is. But if you must use anything with it, it should be a tissue oil, which you apply on your skin after applying the lotion. Don't mix the oil directly into the lotion. An example of a tissue oil is bio oil, which is very popular. But overall, when it comes to skin whitening or lightening, Super Glow Paris works. And that brings me to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.